Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Jack Skellington, just kind of the shape of his face. It's kind of stylistic. It's going to be easy, it's going to be step-by-step for beginners, so let's get going. I'm glad to see you again, so let's get started. Real simple. I'm going to be using any marker, by the way. Use whatever marker you like. So I'm going to pull down right here, and I'm going to go into one of his eye sockets. So it's going to be just like a pulling that line straight down. Pulling a curve on this end. I'm drawing his far side eye. It's going to be just like a curve, like a J. Then I'm going to grab the line here and pull downward. It's going to kind of pull across here. It's going to be a bit of overlapping. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to fill that space in. You can fill it any which way you want. Try to do it generally as fast as you can. Don't go too fast, but you want it to be faster so that it'll all dry. It'll all be moist at the same time, and it'll dry relatively close. And now let's go to the other side eye. You're pulling like a bit of an S curve up. He's got a big, it's gonna be this furrowed brow. Kind of another curve, the opposite, matching this other curve on this side. A bit of a J curve. And then we're gonna go in right here, start at the top, pull down. That same shape. And we're gonna do the same on this side. We're gonna fill it in. You can, there's really no right way to fill it in. You kind of go all over the place, as long as it's all kind of moist at the same time, like I said, and it'll dry relatively close. Let's go into here for the nostrils. Nostrils are essentially just a dash. Think of like a grain of rice. 2 grains of rice. And now we're gonna go in for the smile, and that'll be the last thing right here. So it's gonna be a straight line. You can kind of warp it any which way you want. Like in terms of what kind of smile you want. You can kind of like make it just a straight round smile. You can open his mouth up a little bit. We can do that if you want. Let's open his mouth up a little bit. And the characteristic we're going to put in order so you can tell it's Jack Skellington. I mean, it already kind of looks like him. But we're going to throw in more by throwing the stitching around his mouth. And I don't really know if that's stitching or like just like a skull shape. But you're going to think of straight lines. Almost like a zipper mouth. Now we're doing just the top first. Do it all along. You can make some jaggedy, you can make some imperfect, or you can just kind of make them like a baseball stitching. Try to make them as perfect as you want, but you don't have to. And that's it. That is a Jack Skellington face right there. That's, again, it's a little bit more, for different purposes than drawing his head. You don't have to draw the head containing it, and it can still look like him. So that is it. I hope you like that. If you like that, press that thumbs up. We're going to be updating like crazy through Halloween, and I might even keep it alive otherwise. Also, don't forget, we have just until Halloween. So this is for the next 20 days only. I'm going to have drawing guides. So essentially these drawing guides are made for you to follow along, really simple. It's going to be 6 steps on every one of them. There's over 100 drawing guides, and it's $5. So that's roughly about 5 cents each guide, because you're going to get 100. Go to that link in the description and go check that out, because like I said, I'm going to get rid of that right after Halloween. That's gone. So thank you so much, guys. I do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.